Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Asana. So let me take you to their website, which is asana.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Asana is a powerful work management platform designed to help teams organize, track, and manage their projects efficiently. The website offers tools to plan workflows, set goals, and streamline communication, ensuring every team stays aligned and productive. With Asana, businesses can simplify collaboration and achieve better results all from one intuitive platform. Come to their website, explore all about them, and if you want to get this for your team, what you're waiting for? You can buy any of their plan. You may also start with the basic one or the free one. And to see the available plans, you can click on pricing, which will take you to this page. Over here, you might want to go with the personal one. Just check it out how it works for you or might work for your team. And if you want to have some advanced feature, then start with starter, then move to advanced. And if you like it, you can even move to enterprise later on. That is up to you if you want to use Asana. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Asana. How to make it possible? Simply by joining the affiliate program. All you have to do is to apply for the affiliate program, and once you have been approved, you would be able to bring more subscription to them, meaning more sales to them, and that will end up giving you commission. So affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote Asana to get commission. No restriction found there. So regardless of your country or your consumer's country, so long as you bring sales to them, the legit sales, of course, you should be able to receive commission. So how do you join their affiliate program? For that, let me take you to this page, that is asana.com partners /refer. I'm going to mention this link in the video description as well for your reference, so don't worry about it. Once here, you would be able to see more about it. So they call it like partner program or refer program, but it's one and the same thing. So you can maximize your earnings, sharpen your strategy, evolve your partnership with them. How do you get started? You become an Asana customer, and that is the paid one. Now here's the prerequisite. If you want to join the affiliate program, you must have a paid account with Asana. Without it, with the free account, I don't think so it will work. Once you have a paid account with Asana, you can complete the partner application that we will talk about shortly. And then when you bring refers to them, you will get commission. Now, how much commission would you get? I researched around and it seems you could get up to 20% commission on the sales that you bring to them. There is some recurring probability here. And then if you scroll down, you can see even more details. But let's say you want to apply for their affiliate program, and assuming you have a paid account with them already at the stage, you can click on apply now, which will take you to this application form. Over here, you can fill in all the details. So how would you like to work with Asana? You want to refer deals to Asana, basically refer. As I said, you may call it referrers or affiliates. Then you can give your details here. Now, all the details, and I'm going to add here, that will be dummy just for the educational purpose. But in your case, ensure all the details that you're mentioning here, they are accurate by the best of your knowledge. So you can start with entering your first name and the last name, then the job title. Let's say you don't have a job title. In that case, just type in the title that best represents you. And then the contact number. So giving the phone number is important too. You give your phone number here, and then the company email address. Ensure whatever email address you're mentioning here, you should have access to seeing the emails, because all the communication thereafter will be happen on this email. Even the confirmation about your application, you will receive at this email address. Then legal company name. So whatever your company name is, you can mention here. What if you don't own a company, but you might have a website or blog or maybe a social media page? Just mention that name in here. That should be fine. How would you describe your company? So you can select one of these options. I'm gonna go with other. Please specify. So for me, I can say I'm an affiliate marketer. Same for you. You can describe your business. Then comes company street name. So whatever the address of your company is, you can give. Otherwise, you can also give your address. So whatever your street address is, you can give it here. And then the company city, or as I was saying, if you don't have a company, you can give your city name in here, followed by company state and the zip code. So you might have a pin code or the zip code depending on your country. Select the country. I'm going to go with my country. You can also enter your country. The company website. Now, you might have a website for your company, or you might have your own website or blog. In case if you don't, and if you intend to promote them on your social media presence, you can put in the link of that social media page page, that should be fine. Then comes the company size, the number of employees. So depending on the number of employees, you can select the number. But let's say if you're alone working individually, you can just type in one. Primary customer segment. So you can click here and you can go with any of the one that suits you. Industry expertise. So I will go with the education one for you. You can select it accordingly. How many team members will be dedicated to Asana? I'll say between one and two. Do you partner with any of the SaaS vendors? So SaaS means software as a service. And if you are partnered with any of those SaaS vendors, you can select yes, and then you can select from these. Now, I'm also affiliated with Alasin. So I'm gonna select Alasin, Monday.com as well, Notion as well. So for now, I'm partnered with these vendors as affiliate. For you as well, if you're partnered with any of these SaaS vendors, just select it accordingly. How many businesses are you supporting? So I can say I'm supporting between 21 to 50. Of course, I'm an affiliate marketer, so that is the basic numbers. For you as well, depending on how many businesses you're partnered with or might be supporting indirectly or directly, you can select the numbers. What is your company annual revenue? Now, whatever you want to give, you can give. Then, were you referred here by any Asana contact? So you can select no, and thereafter you can click on non-disclosure agreement, read it, and then click on I am not a robot, and then complete the capture. Thereafter, tick mark this and then click on submit. When you do that, your application to the Asana affiliate program team would go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they could give you the approval. How much time would they take to review and approve? They may take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks' time. And in between, if you ever want to reach out to them, you can always write an email to them at partners@asana.com. Now, let's say once you've been approved, how would you know that you have been approved? You will receive an email about it. Along with that email, you will also receive other details such as the URL that you have to use for affiliate dashboard, the username, and of course, the instruction to set your password. Once you have that set of instructions, you can log into your affiliate dashboard and you can start promoting them. To promote Asana, you can't just take any link from the website. So you have to ensure you are using the tracking link. So once you have access to the affiliate dashboard, there should be a section for the link. So you can go to that link section, maybe pick a referral URL or create your own tracking link and ensure you're using your tracking link only to promote Asana. Where can you promote them? Let's say you have been approved, you got the link, but how can you exactly promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. So long as you have been approved for your website, you can promote them anywhere on your website, maybe homepage, maybe category page, event page, whatever you feel like is more suited for your audience, for your traffic. Second is blog. Now you could write a great blog post about Asana and put your tracking link in there. This way when people would read, if they like it, they'll click on the link and they subscribe to Asana and you end up getting commission. Third way is business services website. Let's say as an affiliate, you have such a website. You might want to create a standalone section for tools like Asana. And when people would come to your website, they click on that section link. It might take them to a page where you might be featuring Asana with your integrated affiliate link. So when they will click on that icon for Asana, they will be taken to the website. And when they subscribe, you get the commission. So these are some of the ways you can promote Asana. What about your performance? So all your performance you would be able to track within Asana itself. And to receive the commission, ensure you're updating your payment method over there as well. Now, the payment method would vary depending on your location. You might be given the option to update your banking details, or it could be via PayPal, or it could be via check as well, depending on your location, as I said. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Asana. You apply to them, and once you have been approved, you can start promoting them and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning about the affiliate program of Asana. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.